Yesterday, Justice Ogola delivered the judgment to Petition 134 of 2019. This petition was filed by 20 civil society organizations, largely at the coast. And we also had friends from the state, like the Kenya National Commission on Human Rights. This petition is very close to our heart because it intended to protect our civic space from attack by the state. The National Assembly, through the Miscellaneous Amendment of 2019, amended the Prevention of Terrorism Act, which is commonly known as POTA, in 2019 to include draconian provisions which inviting the state to design our programs, to dictate where we work, to dictate our space, to deny us constitutional right of privacy that is necessary for professional and community service. The same was intended to create several points of reporting and bow down our work as a vibrant oversight institutions and organizations in Kenya for the state. But yesterday, Justice Ogola dismissed our petition, indicating that there will be no violations to the civil society organizations. He agreed that the process that draconian law went through was perfect and that the limitations therein were reasonable. We respectfully differ with the good judge for a number of reasons. But one which stands out is that this law, and good enough he talked about the process, this law was declared unconstitutional courtesy of Petition 284 of 2019, which was consolidated with Petition 353 of 2019. That judgment was delivered by a 3-judge bench in Nairobi on 29th October of 2020. The concurrence of the Senate and the National Assembly to date have never been followed as advised by the court, and the 9 months have elapsed, and therefore that law remains unconstitutional. So the difference we have with Justice Ogola's judgment yesterday is that he is trying to bring life to a dead law that had been declared by 3 judges in Nairobi. We see this judgment as a continued process of curtailing civic space and civic voice by reducing civil society to report to an institution that we gave mandate to bring together state institutions, not civil society, nobody outside government. Our call of duty is to defend the Constitution, the principles therein, values, and the Bill of Rights. In this regard, we also want to commend the judiciary for continued upscaling of jurisprudence in Kenya.
Wakati huu sisi watetezi wa haki za kibinadamu tumeingia baridi. Tunaogopa, tunahofia vile mahakama, serikali kuu haiheshimu court orders. Tukipeleka kesi tunaona kwa space yetu imekuwa threatened, hatupati natija yoyote. Kwa kifupi pia majaji tunaona ni kama wamekuwa intimidated, hawataki kitu ambayo ita offend executive. Masuala ya SGR tumeona, tumefanya ma demonstration, tumefanya kila aina petition, tumeenda kotini, hatupati natija yoyote kwa sababu executive, serikali ya Uhuru Kenyatta, wanafanya vitu na impunity. Na sisi peke yake, angalia mfano wa Miguna. Despite court order hawaheshimu, basi nchi itaenda wapi? Nchi hii itaenda kwa dogs. So tunakubaliana asilimia na wakili wetu, tutaapili masuala ya POTA, na hii yote itatu affect negatively saizi vile ilivyo masuala ya funding. Pesa zetu itakuwa ni shida kupata, na mtu akipotea, mtu akiuawa, itakuwa ni ngumu kufuatizia. Na serikali ya Kenya itupatie funding? Because tunaangalia check and balances, masuala ya security, watoto siumie. Lakini hivi sasa vile ilivyo, Nawaambia kazi yetu, watu watapotea, watu wataogopa. Mtu akipotea potelea mbali, mtu akifa akiuliwa itakuwa hakuna mtu kufuatizia, na serikali wanafurahi zaidi. Manake wanaompoteza watu, wanaua watu si wengine, ni hao serikali. So kwa kifupi nasema kuwa tumeingia baridi, tunahofia usalama wetu pia vile ilivyo. Serikali, ATPU na security agency watafanya vile wafanyavyo. Tukifanya mkutano tutashikwa kama kawaida na amna lolote, kwa sababu mahakama pia ishaingia baridi ambayo tulikuwa tunaitegemea ituokoe sisi. That's all. Maybe you can send the courts. No side, inside. You want to sing national anthem? Attention!
Yeah, we are.
In the cell. At one point, PW12 left the cell to go into a toilet. The Mzungu Hassan was in a coma in an ICU machine, still chained to the bed. She was never of 19th of May 2012. What happened to Alexander was not altogether a surprise to most Kenyans.